Dr. Farida Khan. I'm into alternative therapies like ozone, chelation, acupuncture, acupressure, and naturopathy. Basically, I'm a naturopathy doctor. Again, it is drugless therapy. And I met one of my friend, Mr. Aslam. So he told me about ozone therapy. He guided me about ozone and chelation. Then I did this ozone course in Mumbai and my chelation course in Goa with Dr. Lenny DeCosta. And now I'm doing only ozone, chelation and acupuncture, and I'm giving very good result. To clear all the heart blockages, we are giving chelation therapy. To kill the pain, if you know the acupressure points, if you will inject ozone on that area, then it will give you very quick and fast result, better result. This is K1, kidney 1. If someone is in coma or with fits, you can press this K1 point. Immediately he will become normal. K1. So you can use any sharp thing, you can use any pen, normal pen, or if you have any needle, you can prick with the needle. If nothing is there, then you can use your keys. Okay. First I did my ozone. This is about ozone. O2 is ozone, O3 is O2 is oxygen, O3 is ozone. Through ozone only we are treating the patient from normal cold to all type of cancer patient. Fatty liver, intestine problem, gangrene, any kind of gangrene, Parkinson disease, cold, cough, headache, migraine, asthma, psoriasis, all kind of skin diseases, all type of cancer, all kind of pains, whether it's sciatica pain, knee joint pain, slip disc, frozen shoulder. So we are treating through ozone. And chelation, to clear all the heart blockages from head to toe, we will give the chelation therapy to clear all the blockages, to clear all the toxins and heavy metals from our blood vessels. And simple example, if someone is suffering from back pain, so first you should see which channel is running over that pain. So you can see here urinary bladder. So that means problem is not with your back, problem is with your urinary bladder. So what you have to do, you have to drink enough water, 16 glasses of water, and do few back stretch exercises to strengthen your back muscles. So no need to take any painkiller or any ozone injections or any other therapies. You can treat yourself with water, 16 glasses of water every day. Doing only ozone injection, you require 10 to 15 sittings. For the acupuncture, if you are doing only acupuncture, you require at least 2 to 3 months. If you will combine, if you know the points where you have to inject, so if you do with the acupuncture points, then results, you can get the result in 1 week or 6 to 7 days. So results are really good with acupuncture points. So you should know where to inject.
My wife was suffering from neurological pain, so we were trying out allopathy medicines and it was causing a lot of side effects. So we started going for Ayurvedic and homeopathy treatments, and Ayurvedic and homeopathy treatments were helping to reduce the pain. And what we saw is during winter seasons the pain was pretty high, and so we started with acupuncture treatments, and the acupuncture treatments was helping to reduce the pain. but this pain was continuing over years. So recently, before around a month or so, we did a online test for around 84 criterias using blood. So through that we found out that lead was one of the causes for our neurological pain, and we tried treatment via Ayurvedic medicines, but what we saw after a month is that the lead level has still increased. So we met Dr. Farida, and we have started on the chelation therapy, and as part of the chelation therapy we have finished around 5 sessions. After these 5 sessions we took a blood test again for lead level, and from 60.4, which was the earlier reading, now the reading is 43.6. So there's a reduction of around 17 mcg. So we will be going through further chelation therapy sessions, and we hope that it would come down to 0 or a single digit in future.